Benuvia Manufacturing, the people, the facility, and the intellectual expertise, all right here in the heart of Texas. Benuvia Manufacturing is like a world-class Olympic team. We have athletes here on the team who were raised in Vietnam, China, and Africa, and they're all here in our facility in Round Rock, Texas, operating at the highest standard to make sure our medicines are made exactly right.
What I really like about working in this industry is the fact that we get to work with small to medium-sized clients who in a lot of instances, the fate of the company is in our hands. We take that responsibility very seriously, but most of all, what motivates me and excites me about this industry is the fact that we get to make products that affects people's lives. What we do makes a difference.
One of the things that I enjoy most about working here at Benuvia Manufacturing is the ability to see the sample process from start to finish. The samples received in the shipping warehouse to where it's then tested by QC, released, then used in the product for API manufacturing to where it's then used for final product formulation.
At Benuvia Manufacturing, quality assurance is so important, and our quality assurance team, led by Monica Gorbett, sets a super high quality standard. And that's the kind of place that I want to work, and that's the kind of place that's going to produce the medicine for my mom or dad.
We here at Benuvia believe in providing our customers with safe, efficacious, and quality products. We ensure this by ensuring that we have quality systems that meet FDA requirements and ICH guidelines.
We are a talented organization with a modern facility. This allows us to go the extra mile for our customers. Not only can we develop your APIs, we can make those APIs, we can help you with a drug formulation, and we can make that drug formulation here at our facility in Texas.
When I'm in the room with our technical team, including Jim Mitchell, our head scientist, and I see him interact with the client and hear the exchange of information, it is how a CDMO is supposed to work. We're on the same side of the table, we're solving the problem, and we're working together as a team. It's a beautiful thing.
So in addition to bringing our creativity to bear and solving our clients' problems, we want to make sure that we're solving them in the most efficient manner and cost-effective way that we can. A lot of times that involves continuous improvement strategies where we offer shared gains with the client as we learn more and bring their processes into fruition and they mature for full-on API production.
Benuvia Manufacturing, the people, the facility, and the intellectual expertise, all right here in the heart of Texas.